done eating, huh?
Can I see?
What's your idea? Do you not know
What are you guys doing?
Hi, vlog.
Actually, I got a new camera too, but it's in the car. I gotta get a memory card for it though.
Mommy has a new phone case.
Mommy, can we see your new phone?
Yep. You seen another dog that looked like Chloe earlier?
That's me.
He was walking.
Which one is that?
Did you guys already eat?
I'll gladly take this.
Let me have it though. You're going to your phone.
Did you guys eat already?
Where are you guys going?
We're just go to the red park at Pismo Village. It's a little thing.
The red park. What's red park?
Give me my birthday. It's in.
Oh, I forgot it. But you want me to tell you what it is?
No!
Gucci.
No! It's Gucci slides.
They're so cute.
I told you not to tell me.
I told you before he did.
I'm gonna take them. They got roses.
No, they're not. Your mom tried them on, so they'll fit you.
Yeah, I tried them on. Oh, they're so
They're
comfortable.
too big for your mom.
Look at that thing.
What do you think?
They're perfect.
How'd you forget it?
Because I was driving, I was like, oh, I can't forget the things that I was driving. I was like,
Oh my god, look at her thought.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, I can't forget her thing.
What size is it?
yeah, they totally forgot it.
We should go down the slides.
Are you guys still eating in there or what? Are they still
No,
eating?
we're done. We're just waiting for him to pop.
Oh, okay.
Where was Bubba?
Oh, look at that.
Now walk it.
He just parked, it looked like.
Oh, Bubba was going in there going,
Maybe.
No, they just did a splash.
Oh,
We're at the beach,
We're
guys.
just waiting for them.
we're at Pismo. Pismo Beach.
oh, Cameron, I brought your
What kind of food do they have in here?
They have like
Quincy.
if you guys want to see Avery, you gotta go to Pismo Beach.
You guys ever want to come eat at Hoagie's? They have wraps here.
They're bomb.
The Pismo wrap.
It's the Dirty Bird.
They're so good. Oh my. You had donut shower thing all over your face.
Oh, let me too.
Did you bring your lotion for your face?
I got some over here.
Yeah, what's that?
Did you really? Let's go swimming. Did you guys bring your bathing suits?
Yeah, they did.
Let's go swimming. Yeah. So, we might go swimming, guys. So, stay tuned. Stay tuned. This is the Twinsy. Say hi, Twin. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
They got a little dinner. Say hi, Calvin.
Hold it sideways, it won't be a full
really?
screen. Alexa.
Yeah, the sports at right?
You gotta hold it sideways or else it won't be a full screen when you do the video on YouTube.
I want to go to the beach, but we went to
Tomorrow.
Hi,
we went to
twinsies.
the dunes today.
Isn't your guys' campground right by the beach?
Yeah.
Our campground is literally right there.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, we rode our scooters there one time. Last time.
And then it's just like a little like lake of like the ocean water, and you can just like walk around it. And then there's
Tons of fish jumping out.
Oh, like a little
there.
We went there in the morning.
You have to do it the other way.
We have, and then Arabella.
Quincy, don't go by the road.
My favorite video is the carp fight vlog.
The what?
The carp fight vlog.
Oh.
You know, I'm sick of it. Just pull over. Okay, then you want to walk home? Fine.
Yeah, we used to have a whole bunch more, but I don't know if you put them.
There's still my Snapchat thing.
Oh, your Snapchat? Well, you need to save them to your phone.
I know, but oh yeah.
Guys, we're gonna go to the slides.
Where's the slides? Is it over there?
They're over there.
Let me go tell them that we're gonna take them to the slides. Twinsy!
Bigger than fake.
Twinsy!
What? Heard last. Guys, who's excited for the slides?
To the beach slide.
Hey, give me your hair right now.
To the slides?
Go under.
Okay.
Guys, guess what? I built a new electric skateboard.
We did?
Yeah, I brought it with me. It's in the car.
Okay, guys. So right now we are walking to the Pismo slides.
Okay, please it the other way. Avery called Alexa a big booty hoochie mama. Okay, guys.
Big booty. We're going
Okay, guys,
to
you
the
have to try
slide.
to guess what twin this is. Show them the twin.
Is it either Kenzie or Callie? Comment down in the comment section. Yeah, Anna or Elsa from the other video. So this is where we're at, right here. That's Yaya. It's Avery. It's all of us. Your dad's right there. And this is like hotel rooms and stuff, which is very cool. And there's the beach right there. And then to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Tomorrow, you guys need to do a day in the life at the beach. Yeah, this is gonna be, it's gonna be cool. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. So there's the beach. Then there's like cars over there. No. What the heck? It's over here. So we're like over here right now. It's over here. What is it? And there's like playground and stuff. Freya! So we are right here by the Pismo sign right there. We will also, I don't know, be like taking pictures and stuff. There's toys over there. Avery, you want to show them the stuff? Freya! Here. No.
Okay, go get the twinsies back.
You vlog. So there's like stuff over here. So there's like a whale over here.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna give you guys a tour. So here's a little like tower that you can climb up. Go get your stinky binky. Okay, guys, this is where you can enter.
Here, I'll show them. I'll go in there.
Okay.
Go. So, come up here. It's like it's a well outside, and then you just climb through here like that, and it's cool.
Why are there so many people coming?
Excuse me. And then there's like a well tour, and then yes you can. Uncle Jesse's gonna edit it today. And then there's like surfboards and stuff. And then here's Avery, and there's the beach, guys. So we're gonna go down the slide. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna go down the slide in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god! I got a massive wedgie.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna show them going down the slide. Look at Ray. Ray went down this little slide right here. Come on! Oh, look at here goes Callie. I fell. So they're climbing up right here.
Watch out, no way!
Okay, go Avery!
I'm scared.
Oh, look at Uriah! Guys, I got it over here! Yes! And also from my campsite, we can literally watch the sunset. But the sun's still up right now, and we still got... Okay, guys, here goes Cameron. Here's Boo Boo.
That's Twinsie.
Move your arm. There goes my Callie.
Fight them out. That's not right.
Yeah, Boo Boo, jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Look at her butt, guys. Go, move.
Okay, give me the broom.
Okay.